My name is Yahuza.
Okay. From which area? Which community?
Newly out.
Okay. Thanks for joining the team. We say no to jobless society, where we bring up our children in the society, the youth and the teenager, to learn skills. This is what we do. So we go around just Plateau State for now. We are trusting God to go further. With your support, with your volunteers, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining the team. Say no to jobless society. Say no to
Jobless society.
Sorry.